Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see term 1 and term 2 syllabus. And in the last of this video, I will give you some important information about CBSE's exams. So firstly, you have to search CBSE. Then click on the search bar. Then you can see CBSE's official website on the top. Then click it. In the last, you can see academic website. Click on this. Come on top, you can see curriculum. Click on it and you can see two options. First one is curriculum 2021-22, term wise curriculum 2021-22. If you want to see whole syllabus of CBSE, then you have to click curriculum 2021-22, and if you want to do term wise syllabus, then you should click on term wise curriculum 2021 and 22. Now this kind of interface is shown. If you are in class 9th and 10th, then you have to click term wise secondary curriculum 9th-10th, and if you are in 11th and 12th, then you have to click term wise senior secondary curriculum. So मैं यहाँ पे 9th और 10th का सर्च करती हूँ. Then click it. Then this option is shown. If you want to search languages like Hindi and English, then you have to click term wise language group L. I want to search English, term wise English. Download it. Here you can see term 1 syllabus and term 2 syllabus, and in the last page you can see the weightage of the section. Here you can see movements, behave, poems, chapters which are coming in term 1, and grammar syllabus also. ओके, एंड हियर यू कैन सी टर्म 2 में कौन से चैप्टर्स आने वाले हैं ये आपको यहाँ पे शोन है. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस एंड एसएसटी सिलेबस, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक टर्म वाइज मेन सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, you can see mathematics, science and SST. I want to see science syllabus, then click it, download. Here you can see term 1 and term 2 syllabus, and the weightage is also given beside the chapters. Important information is CBSE will hold 2 board exams for 2022 batch. Each of the exams will held on 50% of the syllabus. The term 1 will be held in November and December, while the term 2 will be conducted in March and April. The term 1 exams will have MCQ type questions and will be held for 90 minutes, and the term 2 will have short answer type question and long answer type question and MCQ also. This paper will be conducted for only for 2 hours. Thank you. May this video is helpful for you. If you like my video, then like and subscribe it and share it with your friends so it might be helpful for them.